Take the guesswork out of burning fat with just one rule and one product. One rule, 4-4-12. One product, BIOS Life Slim. What's 4-4-12? It's the proper way to consistently eat 3 balanced meals a day. 4 hours between breakfast and lunch, 4 hours between lunch and dinner, and 12 hours between dinner and breakfast the next day. Why 4-4-12? Studies show having a regular meal pattern helps lower your body's insulin levels, which aids in burning fat. When your body has high insulin levels, it cannot burn stored fat. BIOS Life Slim is the difference for living the 4-4-12 rule. BIOS Life Slim reduces your appetite during meals and eliminates the cravings you feel between meals, making it possible to live 4-4-12 and burn fat. By slowing the body's absorption of glucose from a meal, BIOS Life Slim allows your body to use the energy stored in the food you eat over a longer period of time. And because BIOS Life Slim also helps lower insulin levels, your body is now able to switch energy sources when it runs out and start burning the stored fat you're carrying around on your body. We call this period of time when your body is using stored fat for energy the fat burning zone. No longer do you need to snack between meals for energy. BIOS Life Slim provides the energy naturally by burning your stored fat. BIOS Life Slim does all of this while lowering your cholesterol and triglyceride levels. BIOS Life Slim is the only clinically proven, patented, natural fat loss product on the market today and will change your body from a fat storing machine to a fat burning machine. 4-4-12 and BIOS Life Slim. Burning fat is easy with one rule, one product. Slim is the difference.